Alright, just a quick tutorial on how to do a nollie. The hardest part about it is really turning your wrist this way to do a nollie, opposed to this way to do a nollie. It is a lot easier. This feels a little awkward, especially at first. It's alright though. One thing that was good for me was working on switch ollies first, because then the motion you're going is all one. So, you know, work on that. Whoops. And then another thing that really helps, in my opinion, is nollieing on top of something. And the switch ollie. Start with something even smaller, honestly. Just get a little practice in. Switch ollie. Whoops. Nollie. You'll get it done. It took me a couple days. Just do it all day. You'll get it. And yeah, start working on into different grinds. Start working up the higher things. Whoops. You'll get it. It took me a couple days, but just kind of committed those days to just doing nollies, and you know, you'll get it down. But yeah, besides that, I mean, it's the same pop as an ollie. You're just doing it reverse, so. Yeah, hope that helps.